Okay, in this video we're gonna show how to remove the instrument cluster from a 5 series or E39 from 1997 to 2003. First off, the tools we need, very simple tools, very easy to find. A regular Phillips. This plastic bar actually makes it a lot easier to pry the trims on both sides of the steering column. Torx number 10. Now this one has shaped like a star on the tip, and they call it either T10 or Torx number 10, and maybe a regular flathead. First thing that needs to be done is actually you make sure your steering column is all the way out and all the way down. That way you have plenty of room to work on your cluster. Now we're going to start with removing the two trims on the side of the steering column. They're about 5 or 6 inches, and we can start with the driver's side or left side. Basically you can pull them out very easily, and same thing on the right hand side. Once you have them out, there are one Phillips screw on one side, and there are two on the left side. Most of the time they hold the trim around the cluster, and most of the time they are broken, but we're just going to go ahead and pretend they're not broken. We're going to go ahead and open it. Okay, once you remove all 3 of them, you can go ahead and pull the bracket out. Getting ready to pull the bracket out. Then we're going to need to remove 3 Torx number 10 on top. As you can see, they're not easy to see unless you tilt your head. Alright, now we can go ahead and take the trim off. Now there are harnesses on both sides, but we're only going to remove the fog light harness. You just simply pull them out and they come out very easy. After that, we can go ahead and just put the trim on the side without disconnecting the left hand side harnesses that goes to the headlight. There are 2 more Torx number 10 on top. We need to remove those 2. Now we can pull the cluster out. Once we have it out, there are 3 harnesses on the back, a blue one, a white one, and a black one. In order to remove those, you push the center tab and slide the sleeve downward. That releases the harness. Same thing with the other ones. And that's it. The cluster is ready to be shipped. Just make sure you have enough padding, at least 2 inches of padding all around, and put it in a box and send it to us. Thank you. I hope you